Okay. We are back live and things looking a little different. Yeah, new year, new me, you dig? But welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Life of Lou. And yes, today we are gonna be making some beats for Young Boy. Yeah. This is a little new to me because I'm not used to talking to the camera or whatever, but just mind that we about to keep on rolling though. But in today's video, like I said, we about to be making some Young Boy stuff. The reason why I like Young Boy is because I am from New Orleans, Louisiana, and you know, Baton Rouge is a part of Louisiana. It's about an hour away from where I went at. I used to go to Southern University in Baton Rouge, and you know, that's where Young Boy from. And I always did appreciate the Baton Rouge sound. I always appreciated just that ratchet shit, bro. And this is the best that I could do. And in today's video, I'm about to just go over this, see how I made it, and wanna know how I know Young Boy could go hard on this? Because I got AI.
Oh my God, bro.
Yes,
hell
I got AI,
man.
Young Boy, like I found AI Drake, and we're gonna see, you know, I think it's pretty cool though. But first, thank you for 170 subscribers, man. This shit is incredible. I appreciate it, man. Hopefully 2024, that's the year, yeah, hopefully 2024, niggas can get some good, you know, subscribers and, you know, just push some good content out and, you know, do all that good stuff. Anyway, we go about to play the beat.
Look, I don't know about what you heard, boy. We swerve, boy. We leave a nigga out of words, boy. Just on the curb, boy. You know me, we gon' purge, boy. Bitch, I swear to God. He let the seats on the curb, boy. He drew that murder call. I tell the pussy boys, just leave me alone. We at the graveyard. Shoot for me, he gon' shoot for me. He always had it hard. You know me, I don't get no fuck. We stopping on them hard. It's been 3 nights since I done been asleep and fucked up off that. He up there rapper than me. Y'all be claiming this beat. Young and put that mask up. He gon' show what he bleed. Young and took that trash shot. He left them potters to see. I'm on time and you know I'm smoking that dodo. Shut it.
Damn, all right. I think that's pretty cool, man. I think that kind of go. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's all right. But, shit, excuse me. But anyway, of course, you know, I'm really heavily sample based, so I haven't found the sample of, not YouTube, but back then in Discord, man. Discord, that's a good resource to, you know, just to network and, you know, find samples and shit, man. But I could go into that in another video. But first of all, we gonna start off with the don't know what happened. I recorded the whole video, but my vocals wasn't recorded. I didn't record the audio, so I'm just gonna redo this shit, but without the fucking audio, because it's the next day, and nigga, it's just, fuck, it is what it is, man. Appreciate y'all for being here anyway. But still, okay, this is what we doing. All right, bam. So like I said, we about to first start off with the sample, okay? And I first got the sample from, I'm sorry, also some fucking body decides to damn blow dry the damn street right now, but that's neither here nor there. All right, and this is how the sample originally went. Yeah, that's sitting at about 151, I think that's what the tempo was, and I just, okay, let me see, go to the eye. Okay, I went to the eye, and I think I ain't do too much processing on it. Damn, why it's not? All right, here we go. All right, the sample, I transposed it up to, and I raised the tempo up to 163 from 151. Okay, and that sounded like this. Yeah, I raised a little bit some of the highs and around 1K, and I cut it a little bit around 3K, whatever the hell that means. Okay. And I use Mixbox, man. Now listen to me. Mixbox is a great tool to have because it's just a suite of everything that you need. You really don't need nothing else. But I'm particularly using this one right here just for the delay. I like how the delay sounds. And but this has everything, bro. You got saturation. Put your nice saturator on here, and like I've seen like professional mixing engineers using this like in Pro Tools and shit, like mixing vocals and shit. Like you got your channel strip, your EQ. You got all it is all kind of stuff on here. I don't really know how to use everything. You got this dynamics, but they got everything. De-esser, a limiter, the white 2A. This is it, man. This is official. But yeah, go ahead and get that if you haven't already. That's Mixbox, and as you can see, I got my little delay with it on half, and I got it synced and all that kind of stuff, and that just give me my little drip here. All right, here we go. All right, yeah, and I just drew that up and down. I think I used the step sequencer. I used the step sequencer, and I think I printed out the MIDI some type of way. I don't know. I'm still figuring this shit out. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do a cook up from scratch. You know what I'm saying? Soon, so you can really kind of get the feel for everything I'm doing. But yeah, that's the hi-hat. Okay, moving right along. We're gonna move to the snare. I'm gonna move to the snare, and as you can see there, okay, hold on. Yeah, now I got the sequencer going over here. Hold all this out. Yeah, that's the sequencer right there. Okay, and then to add on top of that, I got my little extra snare down here. Okay, moving along, and then we got our 808 here, and I'll kind of just start that from the beginning. How to draw these in. These are my open hi-hats, and they'll sound like got that on a 1, just on the downbeats. And I guess this is like the main part right here. I got different little shit I was doing, but this is what we looking at right here. And this is the YoungBoy verse I got here. And like I said, I just find I find, on YouTube, they be having a lot of AI verses, you know what I'm saying? You can find Playboy Cardi. I did a Drake video. I'll probably put that up in here somewhere. You can go see that one where I use a Drake AI. So that's just what I do. I kind of just use those different type of acapellas and just put them on my shit. And if I just feel like that shit sound like they'll fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? I put it on. What I'm trying to say, I just use the AIs as a reference because I feel like if the shit sound good on the it probably sound good in general on some shit. But anyway, here we go. I'll play this I'll play Young Boy shit. Well, just the
Look, I don't know about what you heard, boy. We swerve, boy. We leave a nigga out of words, boy. Just on the curb, boy. You know me, we gon' purge, boy. Bitch, I swear to God. He let the seats on the curb, boy. He drew that murder card. I tell them pussy boys, you leave me alone. We at the graveyard. Shoot for me, he gon' shoot for me. He always had it hard. You know me, I don't get no fuck. We stopping on them hard. It's been 3 knocks since I.
Okay, and what I did for that, I just put like a little pitch correction on there, just to kind of hopefully keep his voice in tune with the beat, and I just put like a little EQ just to take out the lows and shit, so you don't be mixing up with, you know, all that type of shit. But man, look, that right there is pretty much the beat, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. I want to tell y'all Happy New Year. Man, we about to be moving this whole year, bruh, so I will be more consistent. I will attempt to be more consistent. I will be more consistent. I will be having more videos dropping, and I will be making a DJ set real soon just to get that going on. But it's all iOS based. I use the DJ app. I'll just show you this shit right quick. I use the DJ app, and this shit gets real nice. Okay, so and I really wanted to show you the DJ app because my methods that I use to strip the vocals, I use Koala Sampler, and I feel like I showed you how I use Koala Sampler before, but I also use DJ for some time, you know what I'm saying? If I can find, if the song's on Spotify, if the songs, you know, are mainstream songs, or even I could just download them and add them to my MP3 list. But like, you know, this shit is crazy. Let me just play this right quick. Don't copyright me, please. So as a matter of fact, I'm gonna just put the vocals. Just you could take the drums out, and you could take the music out, and it'll just leave you with this. I don't know if y'all heard this song before, but shout out to that boy Tizo, Touchdown, and Don Toliver. Them niggas killing shit, but
Baby, you can have what you want.
You know, whatever you. Baby. Short.
Girls just wanna have.
Alright, I'm doing too much, but I'm gonna do a live set with my DJ app too, just to give you a feel of that stuff too, man. But once again, man, I appreciate y'all time. I appreciate your attention, and most importantly, I just want y'all to be safe, enjoy the new year, and we about to keep it moving, baby. Keep it moving. So y'all be safe, man. I'll see y'all on the next one.
Look, I don't know about what you heard, boy. We swerve, boy. We leave a nigga out of words, boy. Just on the curb, boy. You know me, we gon' purge, boy. Bitch, I swear to God. He let the seats on the curb, boy. He drew that murder card. I tell them pussy boys, you leave me alone. We at the graveyard. Shoot for me, he gon' shoot for me. He always had it hard. You know me, I don't get no fuck. We stopping on them hard. It's been 3 nights since I done been asleep and fucked up off that. He up there rapper than me. Y'all be claiming this beat. Young and put that mask up. He gon' show what he bleed. Young and took that trash shot. He left them potters to see. I'm on time and you know I'm smoking that dope.